Do you rent an apartment with a tiny kitchen? It's tricky, right? No drilling, no permanent changes, and almost no storage. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share 5 must-have organizers made for renters. They're all non-permanent, affordable, and they'll make your kitchen feel twice as big. Stay with me till the end. Number 5 is my secret favorite and a total lifesaver. When you live in a rental, every inch counts. Cabinets are small, counters are crowded, and you can't just add new shelves or remodel. That's why smart, removable organizers are the best way to create space without damaging anything. These 5 organizers are renter-friendly and make your kitchen way more functional. First up, the over-the-sink rack. This is perfect for renters because it doesn't need drilling or wall hooks. It just stands over your sink. You can dry dishes, store sponges, and keep utensils organized in one spot. It saves counter space and keeps everything neat, with no installation required. Next is the adhesive magnetic knife strip. Instead of drilling into the wall, just stick it with strong adhesive. It frees up drawer space, keeps knives safe, and looks sleek. Plus, you can take it off when you move out, without leaving holes behind. Quick question. If you could fix one spot in your kitchen today, would it be the fridge, cabinets, or counters? Comment below. I'd love to know. Number 3. Stackable shelf risers. Rentals rarely have enough cabinets, and shelf space often goes to waste. Risers double your space instantly. Stack plates, bowls, or pantry items neatly. No drilling, no tools. Just place them in and start organizing. Number 4 is the rolling cart. If your rental has little or no pantry space, this is a lifesaver. It fits in tight corners, holds dry food, kitchen tools, and even cleaning supplies. And the best part? You can roll it around or take it with you when you move. It's flexible storage that works in any apartment. And finally, number 5, the Lazy Susan. Perfect for cabinets or countertops. It keeps spices, oils, and condiments organized without taking up much space. Instead of digging around, just spin and grab what you need. It's renter-friendly, affordable, and honestly, one of the easiest ways to make a tiny kitchen stress-free. So there you have it, 5 must-have organizers for renters with tiny kitchens. From an over-the-sink rack to a Lazy Susan, these solutions save space, avoid drilling, and make your rental kitchen feel twice as big. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. It helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more renter-friendly home hacks. Next, I'll be sharing budget kitchen hacks under $20 that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.